Some days I like being a mechanic and some days I don't. So it's a 2000 Sportster 1200 nightster. Completely took everything out of it. The main thing is I don't know if he over revved it or what he did to it, but it's pretty much screwed up. You see the oil squirter broke. Let's see if we can get to this one. Yeah, it's supposed to be right there, but it's gone, missing. Yeah, it's not supposed to do that. This was the cylinder. I don't know if I can get it on video, but yeah, right there. He said that the wrist pin came out. I went ahead and got used ones from a motorcycle shop near me. Got both jugs, both pistons, came with wrist pins. And I ended up getting a crank with both rods. So, and if you notice on this one, when you pull it, it doesn't have wiggle. It's new. There's the other cylinder. I'm excited for this. Never done one before. Can't say I wouldn't be doing it after this one. There's a lot to do to it, man. Well, I had to tear apart the case, which honestly, I watched a bunch of videos. Take the starter off, then take all the bolts off that we're connecting them to, take all that off. There's a bunch of like random bolts, like this one's a bolt, that's a bolt, blah, blah, blah. And then it splits in half. I don't know if you can kind of see it, but not really. But it splits in half. And then you can take all that out and rebuild it, put new in. Say hi, Smokey. But yeah, join me along for this journey, which I don't know what I got myself into until I got into it. Like, subscribe, comment, follow me, whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching.